SlimeRancher2. Well, last episode was a big accident. Now, what happened was, it was actually a very big accident. I died. So like, I got all those slimes, and I already knew I was gonna die at some point because it can't. There's like I burst the flood of water, right? And then I kept there's like, I don't know, hole, and then there was like a gate, and then I opened like this gate, and then when I went in, right, what happened was I fell down near the river, and since I couldn't make it up, so that means all those puddle slimes was for nothing. So I don't know what to call my video now. Well, I already called it finding puddle slimes anyway, but like, you know, I didn't know it was coming. So like, I will also write because I didn't know. I meant, you know, guys, I think I already told this to you guys. I do my videos a day before. So what am I mean about day before? So today is Saturday actually. While yesterday was Friday, right? And you know what happens to me all the time is I get very confused what I do the other, like, I'm talking about what happened yesterday when I was doing the video. Today is Saturday. I'm doing this video, and it looks like those, and I still didn't release those videos to SlimeRancher2 videos. So, but I will release after I do these, and to this one that I do now will be released the next day. So, I know, it's very confusing how I do my videos, but that's the only way. Today is episode 16, which means resource finding in the starlight strand. So, that is my job today. Nothing, no slimes picking up, just that. And then I think on next episode we will also go to, I always forget the name, Amber Valley. When I go into Amber Valley, I will be doing to the Amber Valley, we are also doing resource finding. And then we will do resource finding Rainbow Island. So 3 episodes without going. And then I think episode 19, after the last Rainbow Island resource finding, I am gonna be bursting the last portal in. The last portal in Starlight Strand. So, I know, it's sad. I'm not gonna be... Oh, that's... Yeah, we have more air. So, wait, are there bear? Hold on. I don't know. I need to throw these out. And last episode 15, I unlocked the tide pool soap. I already said it, but I unlocked this and I got some colors slimes, but we might have to get it sadly in episode 3, I think. No, episode 19, because there's not much more. We need way more. 3, maybe like 9 or 10. Well, I would want 10, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be enough. Okay, it's time to go. We are gonna get some resources. I mean, strange diamonds, silky sand, all those what's happening this episode. It's kind of sad that we can't really have too much hands anymore. Rare hands or something like that. But you know, it is what it is. I still need to find the stone hand, which we will find next time, which is gonna take a while, sadly. Well, actually not, because I'm doing 2 videos tomorrow for Monday, and both for Monday, and then Tuesday will be SlimeRancher2. So this is what also gonna happen. Well, it is happening. I am only gonna be doing SlimeRancher1's rare. So what am I mean about rare? It's actually only on the weekend. So for Monday to every day I'll be doing SlimeRancher2, and then on the weekend I will do 2 SlimeRancher1s, because then it's not that confusing. Let's read these and then hold on, no, we can't, we also need to feed those. But in SlimeRancher1 I was talking about a new series about SlimeRancher, which is a new Cleus, a new slime called Bolt Slime. It's not real, but it is in my brain, so we'll be talking about it in that episode. And then after that, PowerPoint, I will be doing my own island. So that is gonna be very, very interesting video. I also need to talk about what. So I already talked about in SlimeRancher2, and you see, I'm not really like talking about what I am really doing right now. Like, are you really gonna be liking this video? Just going to Rainbow Strand and then just talking about resources? No, I'm gonna be talking more. So, I'm going to be talking exactly like in SlimeRancher1 about the cube slime. Or no, the bolt slime. But I am going to be talking a SlimeRancher seasons. So what is SlimeRancher seasons? Now this wasn't in my brain, but I was like, when I was walking there. Okay, after I read these then. Hey B, I got you a gift because I don't know. Anyway, I hope you like it. Or don't, whatever. Okay, nice. Have her. Hey, me, how goes that? Exploring the world is yours up to your eyeballs. And mysterious over there. Sure sounds exciting. Me, I'm wondering why baby stuff is not so needlessly difficult. I've climbed mountains that were easier than putting together a crib with this tiny 8-almond wrench they give you. Anyway, Hobbs and I just wanted to say thank you. I don't think we would have come to realize we wanted a kiddo without you in our lives. I always say a bit of myself and you, and after restored Hobbs and Dusty Oi Ranch, and made us realize that not only the marks we left on this world matter, but that it I hope to see a younger lot to do something new with it all. So it's going to be a real treat to see what our little one end up doing with this ranch, or whatever else their heart takes them. So thank you, B. Hobson and I are better off having had you be a little part of our lives. I wish you the very best always. Oh, but one more thing. Hobson wanted to know why you decided not to use the big or ancient device in the ruins of the glass desert to go on some grand adventure across the cosmos. I told him Hobson Twilger a woman's decision. Travel across space and then is there. And there's alone, but he is both stubborn and curious to a fault. It was broken. Well, that don't sound right. Hobson said he left that thing primed and ready to go before he went and walked away. Said he was leaving. The door opened for the new adventure soul out there. Well, Beatrix LeBeau, seems you just found yourself another mystery. Good luck with that one, B. Maybe when this is all done, you should write yourself a book on it. Will make for a heck of an adventure story. Okay, fine. But let's continue what I was talking about, SlimeRancher season. Now, exactly like it would be SlimeRancher 3. You know? I know we just started SlimeRancher2, but it's gonna be called, well, it's not gonna be a month. It's not gonna be like real. It's like a fear. My breed. So, it's gonna be called SlimeRancher season because every place. So just like this is Rainbow Island, this could be called Spring Island. This could be called Halloween Island. This Christmas Island, and lastly, maybe here is Autumn Island. So that's how it's gonna work, and then the last is all season area, which is the biggest size of no, only 4. Yeah, all is 4 seasons. So it's gonna be like that, and there's gonna be different types of season slimes. It's gonna be fun. So it's gonna be a big PowerPoint. Dude, I'm gonna be doing types of slimes before please names. Also, obviously, the haunted house. Yeah, you're gonna live in haunted house. Wait, how's it called? Haunted house. And even the haunted house, there's gonna be also 4, and they're all about also for the 4 seasons. Haunted house, obviously. Christmas, and it's gonna be Christmas place in the haunted house. So you have a will work. It's like the conservatory. Right. Exactly like this. So that's gonna be where the haunted house is. It's gonna be bigger than the conservatory. So this is it's about like a rectangle, 1.5 size. You come in, there's 4 there, there's 4 here, and then there's 2 here, 2 here, just like here. And then there's a door expansion to unlock the lab. Only costs 1,000. So it's gonna be the size of this. Here is gonna be the snow stamped, and it's gonna be about this size. We also gonna have, oh yes, summer. How am I supposed to forget about summer? And this is gonna be summer, so it's gonna be like tied to, and Halloween is gonna be also here. And the last is the autumn. So there's gonna be 4. So like the first is obviously the Halloween, except because like autumn is the first season. I used to think it was actually winter because it starts on the year, but it's actually autumn, and there's actually a reason why autumn is the first. It's because winter is the first 2 months, and then it's spring, second is spring, third is summer, and fourth is autumn. And there's another thing about if winter was first, well, it's actually no. Yeah, it is. Winter is the last because another thing that I'm going to talk about why. It's because there's 12 months. Oh no, yeah, 12 months. January and February is winter. That is the start of the year, but it's the end of the season. So it's the first season is actually spring. Sorry, so you may say, but then you're gonna have to start with spring, not autumn. Well, what I am gonna be doing is I'm gonna start with Halloween because it's the first season actually. No, I'm not Halloween, but I'm gonna start with Halloween. Not because it's my favorite season, just because it's more. No. Just because it's like, no. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to look. Hold on, I'm gonna check my phone here. What is... Spring is, so I was wrong, and it's not on, but you know, but I want to start with this autumn. The second place is, well, winter. Third is to unlock, well, you can unlock anyway, so I'm just saying you started an autumn theme, so it's gonna be haunted house. Because spring there's not much realistically, nothing about this. What am I even doing? I'm not even doing the video, so I'm gonna have have to stop talking about and start doing the real ones. You know what? I'm gonna have to. Let's start actually talking about the video, because just talking about all those, and I'm not even like finding it. I need angular slime. Oh, there's the hunter. Oh, so that's what it is. Like I need a program for I don't need. Some math. So, you know what? I might have to do something else. And you know what I'm gonna do? Instead of talking in these videos about, you know, those like gold slime and all those, instead maybe in SlimeRancher2, because there's not much. I need to focus on my video instead. So, let's see silky sound. That's good. Yeah. So let's actually see the real size. You know what? I was actually wrong. It is actually kinda, you know what? Hold on. Let's see in this. Okay, this one is actually smaller. It's about the same size as the moss blanket. Nearly. It's actually a wee bit smaller. But since there's something unlocked closed here, like always I say. Okay, that is very interesting. Oh, you get out. Okay, okay. Oh, we're gonna find a lot of silky stuff. Sweet how there's no puddles now. You know. Yes, wow. Why is always the rock slime's larvae always here, and then the overall arm? It's always confused about that. You know what's also kind of weird? This is actually the same looking as the moss blanket. You know how the moss blanket, when you actually know, it actually looks like the, I forgot the name. Oh no, ancient ruins. Like that's where the, this is like the portal. It's kind of like that, but it's not finished. It's like something here. You know what also could happen? Maybe the crack is another place where, and then you actually meet the drone guy that always talks with you. You know, that would be very cool if you actually saw like they're moving just like you. You know how, for example, Victor, and you saw it instead of like on like a laptop or whatever, Beatrix is talking with. What if they actually saw us human? Like they are ranting as well. That would be so cool, but I don't know if that would be one. But that would be cool. It's not much about. It's not much. I have to say, not much. SlimeRancher2, but it's a good game. You just need to be patient, because like, you know, one enemy part can't just like. Okay, I finally done SlimeRancher2. Now it's time to do nothing. No, that never happens. You gotta just wait a few days or months. Obviously not. Yay! Okay, we need stuff. We need it. Yes. We actually need a lot of stuff. But that's the three most common, so. I want to see what's that. Nothing. Whoa, that could be something. I'm scared. We could actually see if we make it. Ooh, no, we couldn't. If we had 200, yeah, but then when you have to fight back, it will be a tragic death. But I don't need 4. That's actually very cool. Like there's like interesting stuff and like small islands like that. There's a secret slime island. Something new you never saw. So one thing you can find in the Amber Valley are, then you can find the what resources. I think it's the dust, strange diamond, and primary. I think those, because I don't see much stuff. I have to say, you know, SlimeRancher2 doesn't have actually that much resources. Because if you think about it, you have, so in this place you have 3. Oh yeah, there's also those cubes. But I'm not really actually. Well, we can find them and I wanted to say maybe last episode we unlocked that is what I don't know. Because we can die again. And always might be or again it just the crack just grew again. I don't know why it looks like it's growing and growing all the time. Ooh, wow. I wanna know what that is. Unlock the door. I think it's actually this, where the guy, that's where the shut door is. Hold on. Can you hear? What is that noise? Is it just me? But that sounds creepy. It's like a hard wind blowing. That is very, very interesting. Probably this. I am so confused. Oh, I can't. I'm so excited. Lead to. Hold on, could we not just like. I know. Well, I can actually go up. Or we could. I don't know. 100. Oh, no. Oh, no, you can't. Oh, but that would be cool. Would be cool. But oh, I want to see the combination between angular. Eat it. Please, no. No! But it actually needs fruit. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. But anyway, that's an amazing log. Any angler can make an amazing and fluorescent or any set can make a good looking log. But they kind of just don't last. Like you don't have 100 color. Ooh, what is this? Oh, we have to actually explore. Yes. Ooh, pink warp teapot. I actually forgot about the sun that it actually existed. What's around? see the crown. We have to actually explore a lot in the main line. Or yeah. But I'm gonna have to go this way. And this is gonna be the end of the episode. Goodbye.